Welcome to Super Cocktail Sweep, the only supermarket in the world that gives you cocktails. With your host, JJ Goodman.
Good morning, teams, and welcome to Super Cocktail Sweep. To celebrate the launch of the Cocktail Kitchen in Shoreditch, we're here with a real live supermarket, and our teams are about to take on the Cocktail Challenge. Each team will be given one card with one recipe. They have to run inside, get the ingredients, come back and mix it right here on the streets of London. Teams, are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Get it.
Oh yeah!
And go!
Bonus points are also given to the team that brings home the Food Bank Banana. At Kitchen Cocktails, all our unused ingredients are distributed to food banks across the UK.
Kitchen is
boozy! And just remember, next time you're at the checkout and you hear the beep, think of all the fun you could be having here at Super Cocktail Sweep. Yeah!